Look at all this beautiful lettuce growing in here. Oh, that burgundy gourmet blend looks so good. Getting ready to get some of this lettuce out of here. The salad bowl lettuce. That's the butter crunch lettuce. But look, a lot of them have gone to seed. Gotta collect a lot of these seeds. Look at that. Look at all those gourmet blend seeds. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Everything is going to seed. God is telling us it's time to collect the seeds this season. There's a season to collect and a season to sow. This is our season to collect these seeds so we can have many more, many seasons to come. There's a lot of them plants that are bolting and going to seed lately. With this weather changing on us so much. So I think that's a sign from God telling us it's time to collect your seeds. Collect your seeds. Collect your seeds. Collect your seeds. Okay, I'm going to cut the top of this gourmet blend with all these beautiful seeds on it and collect those and put them in my gourmet blend bag that I have. Let them dry up and then I'll be able to pull all the seeds off of it later after it dries up. Look how beautiful those gourmet blend seeds are. It has some little flowers still blooming on it. I'm going to cut the top of this off and put it in my gourmet blend seed bag. Let them dry up and then I have a lot of seeds to use for seasons to come. Look at all those beautiful seeds. That Mother Nature prepared for us to be able to use in our gardens for many, many years. And some more of the gourmet blend seeds. I'm going to cut it off and put it in my gourmet blend seed bag. I think that may be all the seeds for the gourmet blend. So I'm going to collect these beautiful leaves off of here and add them into my salad. Have a nice salad today. How beautiful these leaves look on this gourmet blend lettuce. It looks beautiful. Okay, let me cut some of these off. Look at that. That looks good. That beautiful lettuce. No, that's gonna taste good when I have my salads. Don't that look so nice? That looks nice. Look at all my lettuce I collected so far. A blend of the gourmet blend, the salad bowl lettuce, and the butter crunch lettuce. That's going to be a nice salad. Okay, let me finish harvesting the rest of this lettuce that's in this bed and start collecting the rest of the seeds over here. Look at all of those seeds. That's the butter crunch lettuce seeds. That's a lot of the seeds there that I have for many seasons to come. Look at all of this butter crunch lettuce seeds I need to collect. Don't that look beautiful? Still have little yellow flowers on them blooming. And all of these seeds here. Look at those seeds. I have a lot of seeds to be able to use for many seasons to come. Look at all of that butter crunch lettuce. Butter crunch lettuce seeds. This is butter crunch lettuce seeds. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, I'm getting ready to collect these butter crunch lettuce seeds and put them in my butter crunch lettuce seed bag. Let them dry out in there. Look at that. Look at all of those seeds. Don't they look beautiful? Mother Nature gives us seeds to be able to sow for seasons to come. It's beautiful. Cut this one here off. Butter crunch lettuce seeds. Look at this. Butter crunch lettuce seeds. Look at all of those seeds I have collected. Look at all of those butter crunch lettuce seeds. Oh, I have a lot. See all those butter crunch lettuce seeds? It's beautiful. Like I got a full bag of the butter crunch one. Butter crunch lettuce seeds. Okay, I harvested and cleaned out my lettuce bed. Getting it ready for the next group of lettuce to grow in here. Gonna add some more seeds to this bed and see how my next group of lettuce gonna grow. I have to get me a shade cloth over this area for this hot summer that's coming, so my lettuce can have a little shade while they're growing. Now I'm getting ready to tackle the green bed where all the greens are growing wild. A lot of these collard greens I'm not going to be able to save because they look like they got really ate up by some of the bugs that got in here. I have a lot of collard green seeds to collect. I think I'm going to collect the collard green seeds now. Look at those seeds. Oh, look at them. All in that long stem. Nothing but a bunch of seeds growing. Let me harvest these seeds and then get to the rest of this bed, cleaning this bed out. A lot of seeds to collect. Look at that, that's collard green. A lot of cleaning up to do in this one. Okay, I'm getting ready to harvest these beautiful collard green seeds. Look at all of those seeds. Don't they look great? Bag ready here to put them in. Let them dry out a little more. Yeah, it looks beautiful. So we'll have some of the little yellow flowers blooming on them too. Okay, getting ready to cut the top of this off with all these seeds. It looks good. Here we go. Look at that. Okay, put it in my collard green bag I got. Go around and collect some more. Then I get in here and clean out this bed. Look at those collard green seeds. Have a lot of them blooming on this one too. Look at all of the yellow flowers still blooming on it. So I'm going to cut this top of this off, put the seeds on it, and put it in my collard green bag and let them dry out. I have a lot of these collard green seeds for next season and more seasons to come. Let me cut this off. Get ready to put them in the bag. Ooh, we got some big stems on it too. Ooh. Got several ones I gotta cut through to get this one. Got it out. Look at that. Look at all of those collard green seeds. Look at the little flowers still blooming on them. Don't they look nice? That looks nice. Put them in my collard green bag. My seeds, my collard green seeds. Look at all of those collard green seeds I have. They look nice. A lot of seeds for many seasons of collard green. Look at those mustard green seeds. Told you everything's going to seed. Collect your seeds. Let me get me some shade cloth and put over it for this hot summer so I can continue to grow me some collard greens over here. I don't know about the mustard greens. Mustard greens they don't do too good in this hot weather. But I think I may put some more of the collard greens in here and have them growing during the summer. And add my mustard greens back in here for during the winter time. And they grow a lot better. And look at those mustard green seeds. Okay, Like I'll be able to collect these. They didn't get eat up by the bugs and dried out by this sun. Oh, I see a few over in there too. I'll be able to harvest a few of them out of here. But I got all of my collard green seeds out of here and the mustard green seeds. Get ready for some more growing in this bed. So let me get busy cleaning out this bed. Look at my green. Look at my collard greens. Look at my collard greens. Look what I found after I was pulling up some of the leaves in this bed. Some more mustard green seeds. Look at that. They already dried up. You can just take it and rub it in your hand. And you see the little pod. Look at all those seeds in there. There were like about 5 or 6 in just that one little pod. I put them in my bag. Got a lot of mustard green seeds. Okay, let me cut this off and put it in my mustard green seed bag. So I can have mustard greens for many seasons to come. Look at all of my mustard green seeds I collected today. A bag full. Most of these are already dried up. So all I got to do is just open up the little pods that the seeds are in and collect those seeds. A lot of mustard green seeds. Thank you, Mother Nature, for this harvest. Thanks for stopping by. If you hadn't hit that subscribe and like button, do it now so you can receive all my latest videos and updates. See you next time at Big Mama's Garden.